Alright, now that this is all done here, it is time to drill and tap the holes on the drill press. So let's get started. Now, I am not going to get fancy and all this. I'm just going to tap and drill one hole. Alright, here we go. Just to let you know, this is the letter I drill bit. And this is a 5/16 by 24 tap. Just in case you want to do it at home. So what I'm going to do with this is what I normally do. You watch my videos. I first use the drill bit to center the hole. That way it goes in easy. And then I finish it off with the tap wrench. Alright, check that out. Ain't nobody gonna figure that one out now. Alright, let's put her on and see how she fits. Decided to blow it out just in case there's any small metal chips. Don't want that getting in the motor, you know. But that looks alright. Okay, let's put her on. There we go. Just had to do a little modification and some persuading, but got her in there. So let's button her all up. Alright, this right here might be the next modification because I never liked the way that thing seals. It doesn't seal properly. And I found out that the Fox bodies went to a rounded design, and probably because it was a lot easier to fit on. But the older ones are the square box type. The easiest way I found to put that on is take the air cleaner off, put this on, then put your preheater hose on, then button it all down. But let's fire it up and see what happens. Got your wrench on there. That's tight. Okay, contact. Hear that sound? It means you got a dead battery. That was for demonstration purposes. Got the old trusty battery charger. Okay. Black. Red. Put on 12-volt charge. There we go. Now I'll let this battery cook itself to death and come back, fire it up. But for now, I'm gonna drink some morning breakfast and wait it out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, now after putting the battery on boil mode for about 45 minutes, let's see if she fires up. Alright, contact. So stay tuned for the next episode when I clean all this mess out here in the back. Had some rodents decide to have a party in the Mustang on the wintertime. So stay tuned for the cleanup to get it prepped up for the cruise-ins. There's a lot of work, so you got dust here, all that. So that's all I got for this episode, everyone. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.